Hi friends, welcome to Techie Study and Fabric Microsoft Fabric series. In this session, we are going to discuss about create a lakehouse and ingest sample data and build a report. In lakehouse, we can ingest the sample data by using a local file and into the delta load into the delta table. So if required, we can apply the transformations and then create a report. Okay, create a report. Let's see. Let's go ahead and create lakehouse first. We can use this workspace and create a lakehouse demo customer related data we will upload. So demo customer. Okay, we have created the lakehouse. It's creating, and let's by using data flow gen 2 we can ingest the data, sample data. So here import CSV or upload file. Here we need to select upload file. It is not SharePoint, it's a local file. Upload from local. So upload dimension customer upload. So let it upload. So once it is uploaded, then we can view the data. Click on next. Okay, already I have the file, that is fine. Okay, this is the data in that file we have, and add this table using example. Let's create a table. Okay, so table is created, dimension underscore customer 2, and let's inner lakehouse. Let's publish it. Publish now. Okay, once published, we can see the semantic model and SQL analytics endpoint. Okay, see here we can see the semantic. It's loading. Let it load. So we have ingested the data into the lakehouse. Let's see SQL endpoint level is there or not. So demo customer is the folder. It's loading. Okay, refreshing the data. Let's check the semantic model. Okay, here we can see the schemas and the table names. So what is our table name? Still it's loading. Our table name is dimension customer and 2 is the table name. So once that is done, let's see the table. Okay, still it's refreshing. So still refreshing. Let it refresh. So once refreshed, maybe we can see the data in our SQL analytic endpoint. Okay. Let's check it. Okay. See, now the data, we can see the table name dimension customer 2 is the table, right? Under tables, we can see the table now. See, this is the table, okay, table data. And let's new query. So demo customer DB and table name is demo customer underscore 2 is the table name, okay. From is not there. Okay, let's run it. So we are here, we are doing the count of star by in group. How many groups count we have? We are going to check that, okay. See, these are the groups we have, and these are the count we have in the table. So now we can see the, go to the workspace. Here we can see by using data flow, we have loaded the data local file to our data lakehouse, okay, data lakehouse table. So the dimension underscore customer underscore 2 is the table name. This is the SQL analytics endpoint. Now semantic, by using semantic endpoint, let's create a auto create Power BI report. Let's see how the visualization is created. Cannot load data associated with report. Make sure you have connection and try again, okay. Maybe it will take some time to create a connection. So let it create. We can see the auto create visualization. So without creating anything manual, it will create automatically. This is a free version, it is going to take time. If it is a pro version, it could be like faster, right? See, this is the visualization customer. I have saved previous one. Let me show you the visualization, how it looks like. See, so this is auto created Power BI report by using the customer data, okay. The visualization looks like this, okay. So let me open this. Is it loaded? Still it's not loaded. So let me use this semantic model and auto create report. Only 10 items can be opened one time. You have left navigation bar, close the item. Okay, I have closed everything. Let me open semantic model and auto create report. So it's generating the report. Let's wait for generate, and we can export or whatever, we can save the report, this report, okay. So by default, automatically it's creating the report. Nothing we are doing anything. So based upon the data, it is analyzing and it's automatically creating the report. That is the beauty we have in Synapse data engineering in workspace, like a Fabric account. Here we can export, analyze in Excel and whatever Power BI, and we can, if you want to edit something, we can edit and we can do the transformations. Yeah. So this is the visualization automatically created by default. If you will, we can create a Excel file, we can save the report under Fabric demo customer. Okay, save. So report is saved. Okay, so let's go to the Fabric demo, and here you can see the customer report. Okay, we will click, we can see the automatically report visualizations are visible, right? This is the beauty we have. Okay, and here now we are verifying it in Excel level. Okay, let's see. So by using these options, we can use like PDF, whatever, export current values, export to PDF and share it to team, whatever we can do it. So next session we can see how to ingest the data from blob storage, or yeah, we will check what are the options we have in lakehouse. We can explore and do it. See, so we have exported the data to PDF. This visualization looks like this. It's a good, right? It's a beauty. So this is about how to create a lakehouse and how to ingest the sample data to data lakehouse. By using data lakehouse, how to create Power BI report in the lakehouse itself. Okay, these are the things we have covered in this session.